Stop. Don't scroll. Everyone says, make money online. But let's be honest, 95% of people try and make zero. In this video, I'm exposing the real way people are making money online in 2025. No fake gurus, no crypto hype, no nonsense. I'll show you 3 systems that actually pay real money, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to start today. You don't fail because it's impossible. Here's the truth. Online income isn't magic. It's a skill. You don't need luck. You need 1. Consistency. 2. Leverage. 3. Proof of work. And once you master those 3, you'll never be broke again. So let's break down the 3 online money machines that are exploding in 2025. We're living in the attention economy, and attention equals money. People are making full-time income just by posting videos. Not because they're famous, but because they solve problems or entertain consistently. Want the formula? Here it is, backhand index pointing down. Pick a niche that pays money: business, AI, health, motivation. Use AI tools like ChatGPT, Pika Labs, or OpusClip to produce faster. Post 3x a week for 90 days.
YouTube pay. TikTok pay.
Brands pay. And even a 10K subscriber channel can pull $2,000 to $5,000 per month easily. You're 1 viral video away, but only if you don't quit after 10. Next, AI freelancing. This is the new gold rush. People are selling services they don't even fully know, because AI does 70% of the work. Here's how. Brain use ChatGPT for blog writing. Artist Palette use Canva or Leonardo AI for logo design. Clapperboard use Pika Labs or Runway for editing. Mobile phone use automation tools to run social accounts. Go on Fiverr or Upwork, create gigs using AI tools. You'll deliver faster, better, and cheaper than 90% of freelancers. And the best part? You can do this from anywhere. Now this is where the real passive money comes in. Affiliate marketing equals you promote someone else's product, you get paid every time someone buys through your link. Platforms like ClickBank, Digistore24, Impact, Amazon all pay. But the 2025 secret? Combine content creation plus affiliate links. Make a review video, drop your affiliate link in the description, get paid every time someone clicks. Or better, create your own digital product, a course, Notion template, or ebook, and sell it on Gumroad or Etsy. Low effort, high margin, no shipping, 100% profit. Let's be real. 2025 is the easiest time in human history to make money online, but only for people who actually take action. Most people will watch this video and scroll. A few will apply it, and those few will change their lives. You have the tools. You have the opportunity. What you don't have is time to waste. Start today. Pick 1 system, commit for 90 days, and watch how fast your life changes. Because in 2025, the internet doesn't reward the smartest. It rewards the boldest. Collision.